Hey, this is indeed a cutting-edge course. Let's get started. MSc Virtual Reality is 12 months master level course, and here are the top reasons to go for this course. Provides graduates with an overview of XR technology and applications. Enables you to understand and apply modern VR technology in the context of social, economic, and technical challenges. The course facilitates you to develop a holistic, multidisciplinary, and novel approach to idea generation and problem-solving techniques. With this cutting-edge course, you will be able to define and develop effective computer-based applications. Enables you to reflect on the importance, individual strengths, and weaknesses in entrepreneurial and innovative thinking. You will engage with organizations effectively to develop project plans and develop a fundamental understanding of project management in new age VR space. While developing VR applications, having the correct tools is crucial. This course provides an all-inclusive package of the tools required, including a VR development laptop. This will allow you to carry out all aspects of the course, from learning the basics to developing their final dissertation project. The tools will then be yours to keep after the course is completed, so you can continue applying your new VR skills in your future career. The state-of-the-art facilities and resources at Swansea University include dedicated VR workstations with full-body, eye, and hand tracking for advanced applications. Oculus Go for 360 VR, Oculus Quest for simplified room-scale VR, and much more. So let's have a look at the key eligibility requirements for MSc Virtual Reality from Swansea. Let me share some interesting facts which will help you understand how this course will take your career to new heights. There is a lack of VR specialists with subject expertise across engineering, science, business, and the arts and humanities sectors, which is hampering industry growth. The aim of this program is to produce experts who know how to create VR and understand experiences to bridge this gap. Many industries like manufacturing, healthcare, data analytics, game design, retail, real estate architecture, space agencies, sports research, etc. are all potential career destinations after MSc Virtual Reality. Few of the prestigious employers include BBC, Airbus, Microsoft, Rolls-Royce, GSK, Pfizer, Tata Steel, Unilever, and many more. Hey, MSc Virtual Reality from Swansea University will definitely help you in learning new skills and overall development. Let me share some interesting insights. Students will work as part of small and changing multidisciplinary teams, pooling their different skills to generate VR simulations. For each student, the final outcome of the program will be an individual project, inspired by and negotiated with external partners, resulting in a usable VR application. Such a project will equip students with the skills to successfully produce a VR application within the constraints of time, resources, and managed expectations. Almost 50 types of immersive educational content are currently being used at Swansea University, out of which 34 have been developed on the campus itself. Using VR headsets, students can immerse themselves in pre-designed virtual environments and explore them while teachers guide their learning like assembly anatomy, aerospace landing, beam bending, drone scans, jet engine museums, project management game on construction, plant visualization, etc. Thereby deploying the power of immersed virtual reality in a multitude of industries. Engineers at Swansea pioneered the development of numerical techniques such as the revolutionary finite element method, recognized as one of the top 100 discoveries and developments in UK universities that have changed the world. There are multi-dimensional benefits to study from Swansea University. Let me share some of them. The university is located in the second largest city of Wales called Swansea, which is well known for its vibrant cultural life. Explore the great outdoor life at Swansea while exploring Gower Peninsula, the UK's primary area of outstanding natural beauty. The city boasts of a huge variety of music venues and plays host to music festivals and events throughout the year. Swansea University holds Athena Swan Silver Award for good practices in higher education and research institutions towards the advancement of gender equality, representation, progression, and success for all. Having one of the largest student unions, the student body organizes a variety of social activities for international students. The university has consistently been the Welsh University of the Year 2019 and 2020. Your entire year is going to be full of learnings, and believe me, it would be a great lifetime experience. The key modules you're going to study are development of virtual reality environments. Case study is the state-of-the-art virtual reality. Marketing management, the digital revolution, mobile technology practice, dissertation virtual reality. To know more about the University of Swansea, speak directly to the UK University delegate now and excel in your life. Log on to speaktouniversity.com. Find the link in the description.